Take a ride in the 2022 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.